Let's contrast that then with Netflix, which if you look at the chart here, it's pretty much gone nowhere really for the whole year, but taking a step back even further, has had a huge run, but it looks like the fundamental picture is now changing a little bit. They are still spending a lot of money on their original content, and competition is steepening.
Well, look, it's a great story, and we have never invested in Netflix, so you don't pay a dividend. It's not our type of stock. But the story is certainly, you know, they went to, I think it was around 2002, they went to Blockbuster and they said, why don't you take us over? And Blockbuster said no.
Right,
boy,
now we know what happened from there.
Yeah, and so yes, from there until earlier this year where the stock made its high, you would have been 200 times your money from I think 2002, sometime in the middle of 2002, 200 times your money. But that's part of the problem. The stock has just gone up too much. And if you look at the metrics on the company, they're gonna have a negative free cash flow. We talked about a second ago with Cisco free cash flow yield. They're gonna have minus $3 billion of free cash flow this year. They're spending $3 billion more than they're making and bringing in. That's not the same thing as earnings, but in terms of the money that's available for things like dividends, they don't pay a dividend because they don't make any free cash flow. So, and if they're not making money now, where are they going to be once Disney comes out with their streaming service in the fall at I think it's at $7, and which is much cheaper than their service. And then after Disney comes out, you're going to have Comcast coming out. You're going to have AT&T with their Time Warner unit coming out. You've got Hulu. You've got you know, all of this competition coming out with streaming services. And they took away Friends, and they took away the Office,
valuable
which is
content.
Valuable content, which they're still streaming now, but they're going to come off of Netflix anyway. So if they're making money now, when they've got streaming more or less all to themselves and easy to get content, I don't see how they're ever going to make any money.
Yeah, well, I guess that begs the question of, will they change their business model with all of this competition, maybe look at live content or sports to, you know, I guess only time will tell what they're going to do to really tackle this competition head on.